Okay, sir. Let's start the movie. Are you ready?
Yes, Tom Walker.
Okay, here goes nothing.
Yes.
Logoand ruined Lucy. Do you have the feeling of something bad is
No, this isn't happening! There's no reason for me to go on. What am I fighting for? Don't exit the video just yet.
I don't want to see the movie.
It's too dangerous.
Excuse me, Jennifer. I have telling you bad news in this theater.
But Josh, there are people screaming in the movie theaters.
That's right. The THX logo blasted in the movie theaters and the people and kids moved at the wall because of the loud sound.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am. I just looked at the security cameras because the evil red Q is making a funny sound and the Blixer big mouth is moving people, and then they have destroyed the curtains, seats, lights and the movie. That just messed up the whole theater.
What? This can't be serious. I am the leader. Come with me. Is this his personality? Oh my god, what happened to this whole theater? This theater is a disaster.
Great. Now what do we do?